Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notification when the Prime Video application uses your mobile data. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the My Stuff icon that you can find down below, that's the last option. Click on the settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on streaming and downloading, which is the first option. Tap on notify me when using mobile data. There you can see a button that if you tap on it you can turn this function on. It means that you are going to get a reminder when the application uses your mobile data when you are not on Wi-Fi. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.